Hello and welcome to the tutorial of batch product changes. In this tutorial we will look at changing a batch load of products. So for example, you might have a category of products and you want to put the markup up or the discount on. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings and you go to settings again and you go to products. Then you will see batch product changes. Click on that button. And now you need to specify which products you'd like to change. So there's a number of things you can do. You can do it by product code, you can do it by item type, you can do it by category, and you can do it by tax code. In this instance, I'm going to choose category and I'm going to choose my compressors. So the next thing I want to do is I just want to load the products that are in the compressor category. So in that category, what I want to do is put a markup of 25%. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click markup 25. Now if I wanted a discount, I'd put a minus in front of that number. The next thing I want to do is I want to recalculate that fixed selling price because it's going to change for all those products. So I am going to say yes, recalculate fixed selling prices. You do have the option not to, but in this case I am. So the next thing I need to do is preview my changes, and you can see my changes and you can see the new values that will be created if we apply these changes. And that's the next thing we're going to do. We're going to apply those changes. So I will be asked if I want to continue, and then basically if we do this, they can't be undone unless we do another batch product change. So I'm just going to say yes, and it's now saved them to the database. So those products will now be changed with their new values. So we also have another alternative as well. It might be that you just want to change something for the products that you get from your suppliers. For example, your supplier might say, we're doing a 10% discount on all products. And that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to select the supplier, just one, and I'm going to select that I want a discount 10%. So our base price now will change to that discount of 10%, and you'll see a discount on there. So what we're going to do is go load product supplier prices. We're going to preview the changes. So you can say was 10%, 10%. So there are actually no changes in this one. So what we could do is we could go right back to this and say, well, sorry, it's actually 15%. Preview changes. And now it's preview that change from discount from 10% to 15%. So if we click apply changes and say yes, that will apply the changes for all those products that we buy from that supplier. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening.